Yung nga rin yung nakita. Nga daw naging check ko. Yan.
Yung sapatos din mo rin. Kanyang rin ano.
Puro ba taon ba? Ano sa mga mo? Dari mo yun.
Good evening, second games. Globe versus Super Metro Talisay. Wala lang yung ginamasakit ba?
Number 15, basket, good for 2.
Hindi ako mabilib na kamo sa ako na eh. Basket.
Alma, basket, good for 2.
Sulit lawas ba?
Tatlog lang ka ba?
Wow. Very active ba?
Very mag-active na video lang naman pala. Ini sa pisto ko, isang matabo. Isang matabo.
Simot na buhok ba?
Ano, lagi naman kasulat mo?
Good evening sa tanan nga galantaw. Second game tayo. Ari kami subong sa PLDT.
Number 24, basket, good for 2.
PLDT, Philippine Long Distance
Score
Rider.
4-2 in favor of Globe.
PLDC, permi lang,
Shot clock
disconnect.
16.
Basket.
Number 26, basket, good for 2.
Score, Wallace 4. Globe versus Super Metro Talisay. Bam! Wala.
Shot clock
No, pati
12.
ko. Ano yung basketan po, no? Sanag pa.
Shot clock 12.
3. Rebound. 4. Super Metro. Sulit lawas palma. 0% body fat ba?
Ano naman po yung sa board?
Remaining time, 7 minutes and 50 seconds.
Puro mas kulog.
Score 4 all.
Sulit na lawas, oh. Pero pang kargador na mga lawas, oh.
Madam, karga ako pa.
Number 5, basket.
Ay, wala pati ikon ko dyan sa live, no?
Wow. Yes, baby. Slide ang test na tayo.
Sorry guys, wala ko sa ginalaran.
Shot clock 16.
Basta may bowlers gani, wala ko na.
Simpson, basket, good for 2.
Sibla man ba, kamo gasunggod. Wala gasunggod, ya. Plangga ko ng ginalaran. Ara ko buwasa, no? Sa kinanalan.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Ano to, fish, diba? Panyaga.
Shot
21
clock
was.
18 seconds.
20 pa lang. 21 pa. Sunday, gali eh. Fish, diba? Ay! Nabuyan. Hop!
Shot clock 20 seconds.
Rebound for Globe.
Score 8-4 in favor of Metro.
Nice pass. Uy!
Shot clock 16, number 26, basket, good for 2.
10-4.
Remaining
Para sa
time,
Super
6
Metro.
minutes.
10-4 ang score. Up, up, up! Traveling.
Raveling. Score 10-4 in favor of Metro.
Sino?
Mga sagol, tanong sa tubo.
Ha?
Mga sagol.
Kumbutan din sa mga to, ha? Practice din sila kung tututanit. Eh, wala sila kung nakalisensya, ya.
Ano practice sila?
Permit mo yan.
Kaya man yung subong mo nang ginayo. Pero nakahambal ya sa ano yan. Bantay. Pilay, wala sila guro kambal. Pero siya, mas nakunot yung ball.
Shot clock 16.
Yan eh.
Nagamito na nila ang
Siyang bot si din, so sila ma-practice to subong.
maulap na sila.
Di, alas ano, para di ka
Remaining
matapos.
time 5 minutes.
Wala ka nag-live basket sa kinalaran, wala.
4-10-4 in favor of Metro.
Kaya may ballers.
Shot clock 14.
Basta may ballers, gani, hindi ko naka...
Number 35, basket, good for 2.
Hindi ko nakakanto sa kinalaran. Sorry guys, hindi ko
Shot
makancel ang
clock
ballers.
15.
Galaot, kami nga dance schedule. Gusto ka. Uy!
Foul number 18. First, personal foul. Second, team foul.
Hello.
Score 10-6 in favor of Metro.
Basket. 10-7 ang score. Libuon on the free throw line. Basket again. 10. Ay, 10. Ang check to 10-8.
Score 10-8 in favor of Metro. Remaining time 4 minutes.
Huwag ko da ha. Si Mamba, kamo ako naman.
Number 26, basket, good for 2. Rebound for Super Metro. Oy! Traveling.
Traveling. Ball for Globe. Huawei. Ano yung Huawei na lang yung dala nila? Huawei. Ay. Oh, kinulat ya ba?
Score 12-8 in favor of Metro.
14.
Number 11, basket, good for 2.
Time out.
Time out, Globe.
Ganti, sobra din ba?
Remaining time 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Bala.
Kaya na quarter eh. Durant ka, no? Durant ka.
Kevin Durant. Gampang. Ganit. Overtake naman.
Shot clock 16. Number 35, basket, good for 2.
Sabado, boss. Dayon Domingo, dayon Martes.
Tres. Uy! Ball for Globe. Wala. Kanugon. Short. Uy! Nice move.
Score 14-12 in favor of Metro.
Dua na lang. Tres. Basket.
Number 11, 3 points.
Yes, pass. Uy!
Foul number 18. Number 18.
Tatlo. Hashtag pa.
O, second.
Tagdo exam.
Shot clock 12. Number 9, basket, good for 2. Remaining time 2 minutes.
Sausage ka daw pito.
Ay, boy, arang dito.
Uy! Ay! There's a foul.
Foul number 11. First personal foul. Fourth team foul. Shot clock 14. Remaining time 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Mabay ka kung mamotor ka.
Alisin siya, madam.
Number 11, basket, good for 2. Out Metro. Score 17-16 in favor of Metro.
Score 16-17 for Super Metro. Isa na lang ang advance eh.
Oo, tama. Saan lang, naglang mo sabihin.
Shout out sa ating mga live viewers diri sa PLDT Grandstand. Mami, pwede may pukuhan pa mga Jens. Stage. Second quarter.
Remaining time 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Uy, board. Basta. Up!
Guys, ilo lang bro.
Puro Pikachu ba?
Tungat o gama.
Rebound for Globe.
1 minute.
1 minute remaining on our... Ay, first quarter. Palangalay, sorry. First
Number
quarter.
9, basket, good for 2.
First quarter lang.
50 seconds.
Tres. Bam! Kabos.
45 seconds.
Bam kabos.
40 seconds.
Nice pass! Uy! Foul.
Foul number 21. First personal foul penalty. Remaining time 37 seconds.
Nasutso.
Story.
Basket.
Tak na, kasi ito. Panuda.
Basket again.
37 seconds remaining time.
Gano'n ka dagat iil. First quarter.
30 seconds.
Kalim ba?
25 seconds.
Tres.
15. 12. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3.
End of our first quarter. Ang score,
And the first
2019.
quarter score 2019 in favor of Globe.
Banse pang globe galing. Grabe. Parang alien. Alien ba? 19-20 ang score for Globe. End of our first quarter. Okay, second quarter. Second 5. Kadali. Kadali.
Wala. Ayaw na.
Ayaw imo nga sakit ang ulo.
Hindi lagi sige, isayo mo na. Hindi mo muna.
Okay na pili ay. Pila kulang nyo aw?
Dua.
Wala pili ayaw. Pili ka mo ako.
Ako na lang pili, akin wala ko pili.
Sige na mo mati-matian nga.
Wala ko yung pili ba? Once nila yun? Ako, bata pa sa tsura ya kayo. Bata pa na yun. Hello ma'am, do tayo ng tao. Daya madam, ari kami sa PLDT. Ballers. Executive. Executive.
Shot clock 15.
Hoy!
Shot clock 16.
Uy! Uy! Foul.
Foul number 16. First personal foul, first team foul.
Malumpi ka na ako doon.
Score 20 all.
Wallace 20 ang score.
Shot clock 14.
Uy!
Number 11, basket, good for 2.
Tres, wala. Ball for Globe. Let's go.
Shot clock 17 seconds.
32, 22.
20.
Ah, 20. Okay, oh. (20-21) ang score. Shout out sa pagbabalik ni Jao
22-20 in
Morant,
favor of
madam.
Globe.
Shout out Jao Morant. Welcome back. Uy! Stepping on the line.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Shot clock 14.
Isinggit na na pangalan ko dama. Sino ni? From Ronick Lakinya. Hindi, okay lang. Sakto lang na. Nubo na ginakaroon.
Shot clock 16 seconds. Shot clock 12.
Why? Black. Oh! Ronick. Good evening. Go, Michael Haneo. Foul number 15. Ayun po ka ba?
Foul number 15. First, personal foul. Second, team foul.
Lumpiga is real.
Kasulad yung mata. Kasulad din.
Takto na. Nice idea.
Basket. Why?
Remaining time 6 minutes.
Steal for Glenn! Steal. Bale.
Foul number 11. First, personal foul. Third, team foul. Shot clock 17 seconds. Shot clock 12.
Sa globe ko, mas ko sa globe.
Shot clock 12. 3 seconds violation.
Mayong gabi, Manda. Good evening, good evening.
Number
Basket.
16, 3 points. Score 24-22 in favor of Metro.
Just lang to.
5 minutes remaining time.
Uy! Shout out Dagali kay
Shot
Renz.
clock 16.
Oriente, pangita ka na din
Shot
ni
clock 12.
Roman.
10.
Till now?
9. Number 15,
Agnes
basket,
Susan,
good
mayong
for
gabi,
2.
madam. Good evening. Dali na tanawon ko gani.
Number 3, basket, good for 2.
Carl Jean,
Score 26-24 in favor of Metro. Time out, Globe.
Ano tayo?
26-24. Globe ang abanse. Abanse yung Metro.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 12. 10. 9. 8. Foul. Foul number 16. First, personal foul. First, team foul.
$26-24 para sa Metro. 25. 26-25 for Metro. Wales 26 ang
4
score.
minutes remaining time. Score
Second quarter.
26 all.
Uy.
Number 24, basket, good for 2.
28-26 for Metro. Nice! Wales.
Number 16,
28.
basket, good for 2.
Basket again. Of course. 30-28 ang score.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Shot clock 14.
Nice. Wala. Rebound
Shot
for
clock
Globe.
9.
Basket.
Number 4 basket, good for 2.
Wallace, 30.
Three minutes remaining time. Number 23 basket, good for 2.
32-30 para sa Metro.
Shot clock 15.
Stepping on the line.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Uy!
Shot clock 16.
Uy!
Score 32-30 in favor of Metro. 2 minutes remaining time. Score 34-30 in favor of Metro. Shot clock 16. Remaining time 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 4 basket, good for 2.
34-32. Oop!
Shot clock 16. Shot clock 10.
Wow, may cheering squad!
Number 16, 3 points. Remaining time 1 minute and 15 seconds. Shot clock 14.
Time out.
Time out, Globe. Remaining time 1 minute.
Score.
Score 39-32 in favor of Metro.
32-39. Patjab ng imot spot Balaren.
Naka-honor at spot, pero nakasiputos. Ano si Dura, man.
Thirty-two, 39 ang score for Super Metro Talisay.
Shot clock 16. Remaining time 50 seconds. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. Shot clock 18. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 12. And 9.
Foul.
Foul number 3. First, personal foul. Second, team foul. Remaining time, 23 seconds. 23 seconds remaining time.
Basket.
20 seconds.
33, 39,
15 seconds.
41. 33, 41 ang score.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
End of our second
End
quarter.
of second quarter score
33,
41-34 in favor of Metro.
34 gali. 41-34 ang score for Super Metro.
Nice rep.
Nice, yeah! Music? Why?
Bola-bola.
Din so?
Kaya napilihan, yung naman pili.
Good eve daw nga wala ka sa Ginalaran. Nag-live kay Arico sa Ballers. Basta may ang pang Ballers, hindi ko ka-live sa Ginalaran. Sorry kid. Hindi ko pwede matunga akong lawas. Kinanglan ko tuwa ka Grace.
Tatlo pala kamera mo lang mo. Xerox lang. Tatlo na kamera mo.
Guwapo pa no?
Fly high, butterfly. Duwalan tayo ng screen mo. Pag first quarter, second quarter, dito ka naman.
Tubo ka naman.
Quarter, wala ka na.
Sa ako ang video call tricks eh, oh.
Dawa sa bibi boy.
Third quarter na kita. Third quarter. Shout out Lichi! Happy birthday! Belated. Vincent. Ang aton last game, hashtag versus the exam. Mano ko, dali.
Shot clock 14.
Basket.
Number 4, basket, good for 2.
Tawo. Coach yan. Nice. Namaya.
Foul number 18. Third personal foul. First team foul. Score 41-37 in favor of Metro.
41-47. Kapila?
37.
37. Buyan ko. Red! Thank you. Thank you. Why man? Rep! Okay ka lang, Rep!
Ayos mo na.
Shoutout ang sabahan ako kay Tong Tong.
Bilig.
Why ba? Dulong!
Ay, din siya. Pero attraction ito.
Wala to talo mo nakita.
Number 9, basket, good for 2.
Mayo. Mayo lang dulom ba? Pila na? Wallace, 41 ang score.
Score 41 all. Foul. Foul number 16. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Jump ball.
Nawala lang may natabo.
Pinoy, okay lang.
Mga bloopers ni Rep, bala mo.
Remaining time 6 minutes
Time out, set time out.
and 45 seconds. Number 11 basket, good for 2. Time out, Globe. Remaining time 6 minutes and 35 seconds.
Ikaw lang? Grabe.
Sana pa ni makakasa nga kung safe. O, ano? Tunog naman da, ano? Bata pa o daan.
Score 46-43 in favor of Metro.
Bam! 2 points.
Number 16 basket, good for 2.
YCK, sir. YCK, sir. Ayun na.
Foul number 26. First personal foul, second team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 13 seconds.
Let's score.
4-6, go.
46-45 para sa Metro.
Hindi ka naman magkarto, ah.
Basket.
Number 9 basket, good for 2.
47-46 for Globe.
47-46 in favor of Globe. Foul number 16. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Shot clock 16 seconds. Remaining time 5 minutes.
Buyan. Short, isa pa. Uy.
Ay, bula.
Hindi na sa. Wise up. Third quarter pa lang. Third quarter pa lang.
Shot clock 15. Foul number 9. First personal foul. Third team foul. Shot clock 18 seconds. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. 9. 8.
Uy, wala pa. Iya Japon.
Foul number 21. Second personal foul. Third team fouls. Remaining time 4 minutes.
Ref.
Simo rep. Basket. 48-46 for Globe.
Remaining time 4 minutes. Score 48-46 in favor of Globe.
49.
49-46.
Pasa sa Ondra. Oy!
Number 9
51.
basket. Good for 2. Time out Metro.
51-46.
51-46 in favor of
Shout out sa
Globe.
on ka na kay Tom Jacket sa iga. Diin ka. From Ramil Cabrillos. Makay Tom Jacket sa igad ko no. Saipan yan. Shout out sa nakay Tom Jacket sa igad. Sino to sa mat?
Dora.
Shagli ya. Dami account. Lain ka tigong ko.
Shot clock 16. Shot clock 12. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. Number 11. Basket. Good for 2. Score 48-51 in favor of Globe. Shot clock 15.
Uy!
Number 4. Basket. Good for 2. Remaining time 3
53-40.
minutes.
Dos, wala. Basket.
Number 4, basket, good for 2. Shot clock 16.
Basket.
Number 21, basket, good for 2. Score 55-50 in favor of Globe. Remaining time 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Tres, basket.
Number 35, 3 points.
58-50 ang score.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Bam, wala. Third quarter na kita, 58-50. Tres, wala. Airball.
Shot clock 13 seconds. Remaining time 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Hindi na sa maglaka to. Natudla na sa...
Shot clock 11. Number
Basket.
9, basket, good for 2.
60-50 ang score for Globe. Bam!
Number
Tres.
26, 3 points. Remaining time 1 minute and 30 seconds. Number
Basket.
16, basket, good for 2.
62-53.
1 minute and 20 seconds remaining time. Foul number 16. Number 16, fourth personal foul, fourth team foul. Score 62-54 in favor of Globe. 1 minute
62-55
and 15 seconds remaining time.
para sa Globe.
Foul number 21, third personal foul, fourth team fouls.
Basket.
One minute.
Shout out kay Mark Lawrence Gravanto, Madam.
Shot clock
Shouts
15.
out.
Number 18, basket, good for
Alin kay
2.
Smokey Gitche.
50 seconds.
Uy, lapo.
45 seconds. Seconds remaining time. Shot clock 19.
Third quarter of the game.
$35 seconds.
Hey! Foul.
Foul number 11. Second personal foul penalty. Remaining time 27 seconds.
Basket. 65-56.
Number 35, basket, good for 2. 20 seconds remaining time. 15 seconds. 10. 9 seconds remaining time. Foul number 15. Second personal foul penalty. Both teams penalty.
Sino ba
9
yun?
seconds remaining time. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And the third quarter score 67-59 in favor of
Bahala ka na
Globe.
Trixie, ah. Bahala ka na Trixie, ma-charge ka. Bahala ka na. Trixie! Sala naman ito di karoon na wayo. Naman ko di karoon.
Ryan.
Bigay ka kakas-kakas na ako. Gani.
Bibit time ka niya. Touch screen sinit.
Uy, type C? Dito na.
Okay, kita mo. Wala kaya cord.
Ako luwat.
Ako pa yung madjas.
Ako galing madam luwat. Ako madam
Hindi
luwat.
kayo naka 100%. End of our third quarter. Fourth quarter na kita. Fourth quarter na ta. Dali ko yan. Galain ako matsyag. may third game ko. Lain gila, tulog lang ako tulog. Hindi, lain lang. Sa din na madama rin kami sa may PLDT Grandstand. PLDT kami. Tapos na nga sa kinalaran, sino nagdaog? Fourth quarter.
Shot clock 17.
Buyan, patali
Number
ba?
16, basket, good for 2. Score 67-61 in favor of Globe. The outside.
Salamat. Wakanggit. There's a foul.
Foul basket. Foul number
63.
11.
70
Second
minutes.
personal foul, first team foul.
Ay, 67? 63-67 for Globe. Basket. 64-67 for Globe. Tatlo na lang. Tres.
Shot clock 14.
There's a foul.
Foul number 24. First personal foul. First team foul.
Ano ba ito? Ah? Basta ako. Kita ko may truck to sang... May truck to sang bugas. Basket again.
Score 68-64 in favor of Globe.
Ay! Nakuot.
Number 23, basket, good for 2.
66-68. Ay!
Shot clock 15.
Uy!
Number 9, basket, good for 2.
70-66. Lotres.
Remaining time 10 minutes.
Sige, dugay pa.
Shot clock 15.
Press, wala, short. Oop!
Foul number 24. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Na, may man din ang pangan ko, no? Ang ringan lang galing.
Shot clock 10.
Kuot pa ba?
Shot clock 10 seconds.
10 seconds on the shot clock.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Uy! Nice pass.
Foul basket. Foul number 16. Number 16, second
72-68.
personal foul. Third team foul. Score 72-66 in favor of Globe.
Basket. 73-66.
Shot clock 16. Shot clock 10. 9, 8.
Basket.
Time out, Globe.
68-73.
68-73 in favor of Globe. Remaining time 8 minutes and 45 seconds.
Eight minutes. Tingala ko na rin naman ang bata sa plaza. Manisakay sa tagali. Wala. Nami, pakabala kay Bukay, gidjabala yaw. Nice!
Score 75-68 in favor of Globe.
Oop! Foul.
Foul number 5. Number 5, second personal foul.
Dugag.
Fourth team foul. Shot clock 12. 10, 9, 8.
Uy! Basket.
Number 11, basket, good for 2.
77-60.
8 minutes remaining time.
Nice pass.
Shot clock 16. Shot clock 12. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Air ball.
Outside.
Hoy, sa likod, boy! Sa likod!
Number 11, basket, good for 2. Time out, Metro. Remaining time, 7 minutes.
Kanina pa na, madam. Yes, fourth quarter na. Rodriguez Beliasa, good evening. Fourth quarter na. Ang game, Globe versus Super Metro Talisay. Wala Japon.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10.
Sa diin ni madam ang
Nine.
covered court. Ari kami sa may PLDT grandstand. Basket.
Number 15, basket, good for 2. Six minutes remaining time.
Tres. Basket. Wala. Rebound for Globe. Uy!
Shot clock 18.
Damo pang tao. Hashtag mampang mo. Uy! Wala pa, wala eh. Uy, Paul. Gari.
5 minutes remaining time.
Mayang gabi lang ga. Good evening. Bago ka lang
Shot
yan.
clock 16.
Galayin pa ako matsyag.
Ay, matulog.
Shot clock 12. Time out, Globe.
Score 68-81 for Globe. Bago ka lang, di
Ang
ka.
Globe boy na time out, Metro isa pa.
Fourth quarter na kita. Uy, nagmayang gabi lang gid ko. Mayang gabi. Fernandez Danbury, mayang gabi ga. Backcourt violation.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
Mangkot ko bala kung diin kahalin, plug pot. Bago ka lang ka pa, ano, online. Rebound for Globe. Uy! Foul.
Foul number 11.
Ano?
Number 11, third personal foul.
Gawla tulat ka, Ged.
Fourth team foul.
Shout out JM Padua. Shout out JM Padua. Good evening.
Foul number 4. First personal foul. Third team foul.
Namakot ko bala kung diin kahalin, plug pot. Tara na, Reds. Ano? Send stars danay.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 15, basket, good for 2. Score 85-70 in favor of Globe. Foul number 9.
Ay, oo. Basket.
Number 4, basket, good for 2. Remaining time 3 minutes and 10
Tres
seconds.
basket. Wala. Lipay ka manggali kung maka lagaw ka no. Pay mo ko galagaw. Ari ko sa
Shot
liga.
clock 15. Shot clock 12.
Magot ko din kalin.
9.
3 points.
Number 35, 3 points. Score 90-72 in favor of Globe.
Wala mo ko galagaw. Kamu ka pamete ko di.
Shot clock 14.
Ikaw mo na nasa ako lagaw.
Shot clock 12. 10, 9, 8.
Uy!
Number 11, basket, good for 2. Shot clock 16. Shot clock 12. Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes of the ball game. No gaya ko da face reveal da bi. Pit kanta ka wala man nga ato sa silay.
50 seconds.
Pila ka na ang balon mapasilay pit kanta ka. Damo. Mga 87.
Shot clock 16. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Sako ganin pinadayaw mo sa DSB.
Foul number 21. Number 18.
Basket.
Score
Basket.
91-74 in favor of Globe.
Ating ball wala. Sorry lang ah. Basket again.
Sub.
Shout out lang da si Chai Panyang. Lapit lang di.
Hilot yan. Hilot.
Go sa pahilot da yun. Din kay Chai Panyang ha?
Number 11, 3 points. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Shout out please. Chai Panyang.
Shot
Chai
clock
Panyang.
14. Shot clock 10.
Sunday
1
ko
minute.
ah. Daman mo lang. Oo ah. Umayan chimpo. Kabay.
Shot clock 14, 50 seconds. Shot clock 10, 9, 40 seconds.
Ball for Glow. Shout out kay Chelsea. Hambal ni Carl Good
35.
job.
Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10.
Shout out Gilbert
9,
Nicolas Dayon.
8,
Jao Morant.
7,
Shout out kay Chelsea.
25 seconds.
Ay, wala
20
pa.
seconds. Fifteen seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Isinggit, B katatlo nga si Alvin Vicente. Guwapo. Alvin Vicente, guwapo. Alvin
Final
Vicente,
score
guwapo. Alvin Vicente,
92-80
guwapo.
in favor
Ano?
of Globe.
Correct na.
Diba? 9. This player na.
Hi, yes.
Teka na na.
Yeah, okay pa man.
Pwede ka na.
Gani, dali lang, gid. Pwede, gid. Congratulations, Globe! Final score. Pila itong final score?
90. Tinataga din. France 98.
92-80. Congratulations, Globe! Our best player of the game, number 9. Number 9! Excuse me, number 9. Number 9, best player of the game. Congratulations. Relive lang ko, guys. Thank you so much. Relive lang ko. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye.